Hey guys, this is the grand opening of the Electrified Garage in Ocala, Florida. And we're here today to show you what we have around the shop. We're going to talk to you about what we do, and we're going to talk about the things we have planned for the future. So here we have started our tire machine where we do wheel and balancing. We have wheel, tire, mountain balancing services. Chad is here from the Electrified Garage in our New Hampshire location. This is our second location. We're super pumped. And Chris, he actually moved down here from our New Hampshire location. Yeah, crazy, just to be here and start up this organization in Ocala. So we're super pumped to have them today. There's going to be a ton of people here, and we're just going to kind of walk around and show you what we have. Today we have some awesome cars in the shop. We have a Lamborghini that's actually electric, probably the first one any of you have ever seen. And we have two very rare and classic Tesla Roadsters. I think Chad's going to take from here to talk about what we have inside of that Lamborghini over there.
So what we have here is a kit car that somebody's making out of a Model 3. It's a two-wheel drive long range, and he's pretty much going all out to turn into the first electric Lamborghini, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. Cool.
We are going to do some electrical work for him. We also have these wonderful Roadsters here. This is an RS80. This is very rare. You don't see a lot of these out there. It's like a pre-final kit. This gentleman has one heck of a collection. This is really, really nice. And we have one of his other ones here that is a 2.5 Sport. And this one's done up really, really well. The tint job, the carbon fiber add-ons, it's really, really nice, really immaculate.
We're doing some service work to both of them for him. And that's kind of where Chad got his first experience working on Tesla, was with Roadsters. And there aren't that many people in the country that do Roadster work. And so now we're here in Florida, and we can help service the population here because there isn't anybody else to help.
The reason why we exist here is anything that your Tesla service center would offer, we can offer that service as well. And we're trying to break through and be almost like a third-party resource for EV repair. Not only Teslas, I personally have an i8 and we could service those too. Kind of just anything related to EV hybrid technology we'll get into. So we're the first of its kind, so we're nervous, half excited, but a lot of people are here to support us, so let's see how it goes.
Are we ready? Good afternoon, everyone. We're so excited that you're here to celebrate the grand opening and ribbon cutting of Electrified Garage. I'm here with Chris. Chris, would you like to say a few words?
Hi everybody, I want to say thank you for coming. I want to say thank you to all of our families. Without them and their support, we wouldn't be able to be here to do this. And thank you to all of our fans and everybody that's here to support us on this important day. Again, we couldn't do this without you as well.
Awesome. Well, on behalf of the #1 chamber in the country, the Ocala-Marion County Chamber and Economic Partnership, we welcome you. We thank you for your investment and partnership and for the service you provide. So Electrified Garage means that people who own these amazing electric vehicles don't have to leave town to get access to amazing automotive service. So we're super excited that you're here. So we're going to count down from 3, 3, 2, 1, success, because that's what we want for your business. So is everybody ready? Yeah. Is everybody ready? Yeah. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1, success!
This was actually a huge surprise. When I seen one of Rich's videos and he mentioned the Electrified Garage coming to Ocala, I thought he was joking. Then we took a drive out here and see it's like, oh my goodness, out of nowhere, it's here.
I think this would be a great addition to Florida alone. Definitely, it is something that is wanted. I don't know what other mods we could do to the car, but I'm looking forward to seeing all those different mods we can do to it in the future.
I think it's a great opportunity for all the Tesla owners in Florida, and especially North Florida, to have a place to go for different options and different things on their cars, rebuilds, things of that nature.
It's really a thrill to see all these Teslas in one place that aren't at the service center.
I think it's amazing. I think it's going to give people the confidence to buy older Teslas. And with the amount of people that are moving here and relocating here, I think we'll pull in a lot of Tesla stock from around the country, especially having the villages involved.
We're just so excited because Electrified Garage means that more and more unique niche businesses are popping up in this thriving community. A lot of times people have had to go to Orlando or to, other close, bigger cities to get these services. But this is awesome because it opens up a new door for the Tesla and electric vehicle owners in our community, and we're just so excited. I mean, it's so state of the art. They're so cool.